The Wirtgen SP250, a slip-form paver for cost-effective concrete paving. Here today and there tomorrow. No problem for the slip-form paver SP250. Thanks to its favourable dimensions, in accordance with international standards, the machine fits onto any trailer or low-bed truck. And just as fast and easy as the transport, the loading and unloading, in a step-by-step procedure. The proportional steering system activating the crawler tracks moves the paver precisely into any desired position. In line with the respective job application and the individual customer requirements, the SP250 is equipped with different mould types. Here, we're showing you the fast and simple installation of the mould mounted on the left side of the machine. For this task, no additional support machinery is required. Everything needed for the installation of the mould is already on board the machine. The hydraulic levelling cylinders position the SP250 at the required height. Next, the individual hydraulically operated telescope beams are positioned into the desired mount assembly of the mould. Then, the operator tightens and locks the mount assembly of the mould to the respective telescope beams. Finally, the optional electrical vibrators are attached to the mould. However, the standard version of the SP250 is equipped with hydraulic vibrator circuits. All connections conform to international norms and standards. In line with the job site requirements, the distance between mould and machine can be adjusted hydraulically. The entire positioning of the foldable conveyor belt can be hydraulically controlled from the operator's platform, with a simple push of a button. The position of the auger is also hydraulically controlled by the operator. For optimal sensor location, a variable and flexible machine-integrated system is available. Attaching the leveling and steering sensors only takes a few minutes. During operation, the sensors translate the string line data into fully automatic operation of the machine. All parameters can be precisely adjusted and altered as required. All it takes is an operator and 30 minutes, counting from the machine's arrival on site and the preparation of the entire machine setup to the moment when the operator is ready for the delivery of the concrete. Just one of many reasons why our customers decided to opt for the modular and flexible SP250 design. The steering angle of the rear crawler track, located next to the mould, is electronically limited to prevent any physical contact with the mould during applications with tight radii. As already mentioned, the standard version of the SP250 is equipped to handle the mould location either on the left or right side of the machine. Now, let's change the mould position from left to right. Mounting moulds has never been easier. For removal of the mould, the procedure is simply reversed. Once the mould has been disconnected, the entire mount assembly of the mold underneath the machine is manually turned and hydraulically repositioned to the main frame. The right-hand side of the machine can now be positioned next to the mold, which is then mounted, as already demonstrated during the assembly procedures on the left side. Depending on the job site applications or requirements, the SP250 can increase its working width considerably. Once again, hydraulically, at the touch of a button. These are the front crawler tracks. The same maneuver with the rear crawler tracks. With a hydraulic height adjustment of a stroke length of 1000 mm and an additional mechanical adjustment of 500 mm, the machine can handle the requirements of nearly any application. The foldable conveyor can be brought into working position from the operator's platform. Alternative conveyor positions are hydraulically changed with a simple touch of a button. As for maneuverability, this machine, as you can see, can also turn on the spot. A great practical advantage on cramped construction sites. The 4 individually movable crawler tracks can be turned through 70 degrees left and right at the front and 30 degrees left and right at the rear. Enough of dry runs. Now let's see how it works in practice. A motorway in Germany between Cologne and Aachen. A 4-track SP250 is placing so-called New Jersey profiles to create a reinforced crash barrier between the carriageways. The mold is mounted on the right-hand side and equipped with reliable, maintenance-friendly electrical vibrators. On this motorway, the 80 cm high crash barrier is being built directly and continuously onto the asphalt bearing layer. The concrete auger ensures an optimal supply of material in the mold. Here in Germany, these safety structures are increasingly replacing the older steel crash barriers. Behind the machine, visually impressive, high-quality results. Now another construction site. The A5 near Frankfurt is one of the busiest motorways in Europe. Central crash barriers are being built here too. This SP250 has roughly the same attachments as the machine we saw just now. With the advanced feed and this level of product quality, there's probably no comparable alternative to this miniature mobile concrete factory. It's no coincidence that the SP250 is the preferred machine worldwide, wherever concrete crash barriers need to be built economically. Since work takes place in the direction of travel, the mold is placed on the left side of the machine here too. The operator has a complete overview and everything under control. And whenever the operator looks back over his shoulder, he and his team can be very satisfied with their paving results. To sum it all up, A good team plus the precision operation SP250 plus good quality concrete equals optimal performance. Over the border, in Austria, a central crash barrier is also being built on the A1 motorway. Here, the concrete is being delivered to the mould straight from the conveyor. Five mild steel rods are, per design specification, continuously positioned into the concrete to ensure the reinforcement of the structure. How can barriers like this be created metre by metre with such perfection? As shown and proven before, all you need is an optimal concrete consistency, proper material compaction in the mould, a sturdy machine concept with proven control technology, and an experienced team. The precise height and direction-related parameters of the barrier are fully automatically maintained by the SP250. Here too, the string line defines the respective parameters. The slim design of the machine makes it possible to complete the job with just one lane blocked. Let's leave Central Europe now and head further north, to Norway. Up here, summers are extremely short, so contractors have to make maximum use of the frost-free period. On this coast road, an SP250 is being used to renew an existing boundary by integrating the old barrier profile. In fact, the old existing profile is being coated with new concrete, whereas during the same operation, a bigger and oversized final product is adopted. Compare it with a crown for a tooth. The new profile covers the old construction. On this job site, the sensor collects the information required to navigate the machine from a fixed ruler or rod, which is positioned on the road surface underneath the machine. The foldable 6-meter-long conveyor belt ensures an optimal concrete supply from the mixer truck to the hopper of the mold. The operator manages the material flow and logistics while monitoring all the machine settings. Looking at the finished product beyond the paving team, we can see that by using the old, still solid wall, a secure and elegant boundary has been achieved. This is an important safety device in case of slippery driving conditions during the wintertime, preventing unexpected crashes into the nearby fjord. From the land of the midnight sun to the land of chips and bicycles, Belgium. Coloured concrete is being used here to construct a cycle path. The 4-track SP250 has the mould required for this job attached beneath the machine. As this construction site shows, the Wirtgen SP250 has a flexible machine concept, which is also suitable for paving applications between the tracks. The quality of the paving results, as well as the astonishingly fast operating speed, are highly impressive. Let's stay in Europe and round off our film with a look at this construction site in France. The carriageways of this road are being given lane demarcations in the central area. The operator has an excellent overview from his platform. The SP250 is supplied with concrete from the conveyor, directly into the hopper assembly of the left-mounted mould. This special profile is a typical profile adopted in France to prevent damage caused by any minor bumps. Over the past few minutes, we've proudly shown you a few job sites of customers who have already decided to take advantage of the Wirtgen SP250 machine features. The machine features were not the only reason for their decision, however. Our customers also appreciate the added value of our locally available after-sales service support, backed up by the Wirtgen headquarters in Germany. This package solution strengthens their market position on a daily basis and creates lifelong business for them. Would you also like to learn about cost-effective alternative job site solutions or machine details? Or visit a job site demo or our factory facilities? Do you need special job site support from our slip-form paving engineers? Or are you interested in a personal visit from one of our experts to discuss your requirements? Well, anytime. Our Wirtgen Group sales and service companies around the globe will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for your interest in our products and services.